gently, but don't be disturbed. Enjoy it. Then take your food and go to sleep. Another new thing. I will not be there, only my empty chair will be there. But don't miss me, because in a sense I will be there. And in a sense always there has been an empty chair before you. Right now the chair is empty, because there is no one sitting in it. I am talking to you, but there is no one who is talking to you. Difficult to understand. When the ego disappears, processes can continue, talking can continue, sitting and walking and eating can continue, but the center has disappeared. Even now the chair is empty. But I was always with you up to now in all the camps, because you were not ready. Now I feel you are ready, and you must be helped to get more ready, to work with my absence. Because feeling that I am there, you may feel a certain enthusiasm which is false. Just feeling that I am present, you may do things which you never wanted to do. Just under my impression, you may exert more. That is not of much help, because only that can be helpful which comes out of your being. My chair will be there. I will be watching you, but you feel completely free. And don't think that I am not there, because that may depress you. And then that depression will disturb your meditation. I will be there, and if you meditate rightly, whenever your meditation will be exactly tuned, you will see me. So that will be the criterion, whether you are really meditating or not. Many of you will be able to see me more intensely than you can see me right now. And whenever you see me, you can be certain that things are happening in a right direction. So this will be the criterion. By the end of this camp, I hope 90% of you would have seen me. 10% may miss, because of their minds. So if you see me, don't start thinking about it, what is happening. Don't start thinking whether it is an imagination or a projection, or am I really there. Don't think, because if you think, immediately I will disappear. Because thinking will become a barrier. The dust will come on the mirror, and there will be no reflection. Whenever the dust is not there, suddenly you will become aware of me more than you can be aware here right now. To be aware of the physical body is not much awareness. To be aware of the non-physical being is real awareness. And you must learn to to work without me. You cannot be always here. You will have to go far away. You cannot hang around me forever. You have other works to do. From different countries all over the world you have come. You will have to go. Few days you will be here with me. But if you become addicted to my physical presence, then rather being a help, it may become a disturbance, because then when you go away, you miss me. Your meditation should be such here that it can happen without my presence. Then wherever you go, the meditation will not be in any way affected. And this too has to be remembered, that I cannot be always in this physical body with you. One day or the other, the physical vehicle has to be dropped. My work is complete as far as I am concerned. If I am carrying this physical vehicle, it is just for you. Someday it has to be dropped. Before it happens, you must be ready to work in my absence or in my non-physical presence, which mean the same. And once you can feel in my absence, you are free of me. And then even if I am not here in this body, the contact will not be lost. It always happens when a Buddha is there, his physical presence becomes so meaningful. And when he dies, everything is shattered. Even a disciple like Ananda, his most intimate disciple, started crying and weeping when Buddha said, "Now I have to leave this body." For 40 years Ananda was with Buddha, 24 hours, just like a shadow. He started crying and weeping like a child. Suddenly he has become an orphan. Buddha asked, "What are you doing?" Ananda said, "It will be impossible now for me to grow. I couldn't grow when you were there, so how can I grow now? It may be now millions of lives that I come across a Buddha again, so I am lost." Buddha said that my understanding is different, Anand. When I am not there, you may become enlightened immediately. Because this has been my feeling that you have become too much attached to me, and that attachment is working like a block. You have become too much attached to me. That very attachment is working like a barrier. And this happened, as Buddha said, the day Buddha died, Ananda became enlightened. There was nothing to cling now. But why wait? When I die, then you become enlightened. Why wait? My chair can be empty. You can feel my absence. And remember, only when you can feel my absence, you can feel my presence. If you cannot see me while my physical vehicle is not there, you have not seen me at all. This is my promise. I will be there in the empty chair. The empty chair will not be really empty. So behave. The chair will not be empty. But it is better that you learn to be in contact with my non-physical being. That's a deeper, more intimate touch and contact. That's why I say a new phase of my work starts with this camp. And I am calling it a samadhi sadhana sivir. It is not only meditation, it is absolute ecstasy that I am going to teach to you. It is not only the first step, it is the last. Only no mind on your part is needed. And everything is ready. Just be alert not to think much. The remaining time between these three meditations, remain more and more